Before using the Love device, make sure to cleanse your skin with your favorite cleanser. This will ensure that the Love device cleans your skin at a deeper level. The Love device benefits your skin by using two functions, clean and lift. To use the clean function, press the power button one time. You don't need any product to use the clean function. The clean function works best with water. Use gauze, a soft towel, or even a cotton pad to apply water to the skin, and then follow with the Love device in the same area in upward strokes. The more water you use, the more mist you'll see on your face. While using the clean function, the sonic action of the Love device works by cleaning deep within your pores, expelling dirt, dead skin cells, and leftover makeup residue. The clean function not only clears your pores, it detoxifies and rebalances your skin's microbiome. Due to this spa-level exfoliation, the clean function should not be used more than 3 times per week. Each treatment should last 5 to 7 minutes. The more water you use, the better results you'll have. You can use the clean function of the Love device all over the face and to target specific areas on your skin that show flakiness, excess oil, rough texture, blackheads, and overall congestion. The spatula is 24 karat gold plated, and that means it also offers soothing and antibacterial skin benefits. You'll love the way your skin looks and feels after using the clean function. To use the lift function, press the power button 2 times. The lift function nourishes your skin and offers deeper product penetration. Apply your favorite serum or light moisturizer to your face and neck. Then, use the lift function in a lifting motion to tone and firm your skin. The sonic action of the lift function offers deeper product penetration, making your serums more effective for your skin and your pocket. Be prepared to see immediate improvement while using the lift function. You'll notice less lines, enhanced hydration, and a healthy glow. Lift function can also be used close to the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark under eye circles. For dewy, supple skin, use the lift function daily, 5 to 7 minutes per treatment. For your convenience, the Love 2-in-1 Sonic device is USB chargeable.